Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called Is E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. In this video, I am going to share with you some home renovations that I'm planning to do in this particular area of my home, which is my loft area. But before I do that, I need to clean the space. I did not want to invite you guys into the space, and it was a little bit messy. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just do some tidying up in the space, and then we're going to pretty much get a small tour, and I'm going to tell you about some of the upcoming changes that I plan to make in the space, some of the changes I want to do before the end of the year, and then some of them will be once 2021 arrives. But if you are interested in some cleaning motivation as well as some home renovation updates and decor updates, then keep watching. Just to give you a little update about this area, it is the most unused space in my home. And I know to the visible eye, it doesn't look like it's unclean, but it is really, really dusty in here, as you can see from the paper towel. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm just going to start by tidying up the space by wiping everything down. This is my entertainment center or my bookcase, which is mostly made of glass. So I'm just going to use some spray away glass cleaner, wipe everything down, all of the tabletop decor. I am going to use some screen cleaner to clean the TV and just get everything nice and clean. Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to this leather sectional that I have located in my loft area. I am just using some leather cleaner that I had around the house to clean and moisturize the sectional. This is one of the very few furniture pieces that I kept while moving into my new home. I've had it for quite some time, a few years, but it still looks brand new. It has held up very well over the years. It is a charcoal gray sectional, and I purchased this from Rooms to Go. Okay, now that I have the sectional all nice and clean and shiny, I'm just going to place the pillows back on the sectional. These pillows come from a variety of stores such as the Gallery, Overstock, At Home, and Rooms to Go. Okay, so moving on to the floors and the carpet, as you can see, my son has chips that he's been eating in here. There's also a Capri Sun straw embedded in my area rug, so I am just going to go ahead and use my cordless vac to tackle the carpet, which is actually one of the major changes that will be made in this space. I am using one of the attachments on my cordless vac to just ensure that I got all of the crumbs from the little mess that my son made under the sofa, which I am not happy about, and he will be hearing about it soon. Okay, lifestyle lovers, welcome to the most unused space in my home, which is my upstairs loft area. Now, if you're not new to my channel, then you've seen this area quite a few times. It used to be actually blue in the past. And then I switched it to cerulean. I kind of did a switcheroo on my downstairs living area and my upstairs living area. But anyway, I started off the first part of the video kind of like with the clean with me, because I wanted to bring you guys into the space, tell you about some of the upcoming changes that I plan to do in this area before the end of 2020, and it needed to be cleaned first. So that is probably the last time that I will be cleaning up here before those changes are made. But everything is pretty much the same as it was the last time that I did a decorate with me, instead of the uva stalks that I ordered from CB2. And I'll give you guys a closer look of those as well. But I wanted to kind of talk to you about this area and talk to you about some of the changes that I plan to make. Some of them will be before the end of the year, some of them won't. Some of them will be very big, and some of them will be kind of small. But I just wanted to give you guys like an update and just kind of show you, you know, the space as it is, because it will be changing and I am really excited about those changes. So let's just take a small tour of the area and then I'll kind of tell you about what I plan to change. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so first I will start with this particular area right here, which is basically leading to my upstairs. This carpet is being replaced with luxury vinyl. I am so excited about that. It was actually supposed to be done right after I got my living room replaced with the luxury vinyl, but COVID happened, so it didn't happen, but it's about to happen. At some point, this area right here will be knocked down and it will actually be a staircase railing. I am going to take this particular rail, place it on this side of the wall, and the rail will be the same color as the stairs, which I'm thinking most likely will be black. So as you enter up the stairs, this is my landing. So this particular piece was purchased from Pier 1. It's like a rustic glam, but I am planning to paint that black. This particular area right here, I think I am going to add some light sconces on each sides of the window, so it'll be one right there as well as one over there. So as you go down the hallway, that is my bedroom. I am getting rid of my Pier 1 mosaic panels. I absolutely used to love these panels, not so much anymore. So right here I am planning to place a large piece of wall art and remove the panels. Not sure about the peacock. She may even stay. I know that I'm going to get rid of these. So if you follow me on Facebook Marketplace, stay tuned because they probably will be going up soon. So all of this area here will also be replaced with luxury vinyl. And as you come down the hall, then you come into the loft area. So the entire carpet is coming up. It will be luxury vinyl. You have an accent chair over here, and then I have my sectional, which I've had for quite some time, and I won't be changing that. And then I have these beautiful uva stocks that I purchased from CB2. So that is the new item in the space. And then I don't plan to make any changes on the decor. You have the bookcase over here. And yeah. And also I have my Four Faces mirror. These were the newest item to the space as well before the uva stocks. So I'm still loving that. And then I have my accent wall, which was done a few months ago as well. And then some nice large wall art. So that is just some of the changes that I plan to make. Some of them will be made by the end of the year. But the main change is basically the carpet is coming up. I never thought that I would be the one to say this, but I hate carpet. And I used to like really love carpet. I guess opposed to tile or, you know, hardwood floors or vinyl or whatever the case may be. I've always loved carpet, but not so much anymore. So eventually it'll probably be changed out in all of the bedrooms as well, but that won't be done until sometime next year. My goal is pretty much to work on the loft area, the stairs, get the carpet pulled up and replaced in those areas before the end of the year. The luxury vinyl will be the same luxury vinyl as it is downstairs in my former living area, but I am going to do something different with the stairs. You guys will get a chance to see that. You know that I'm going to record the process, but I just kind of wanted to get you guys up to date before the renovations start, because I do plan for them to start sometime this month. So just tell you a little bit about the changes. As far as the decor is concerned, I don't plan to change it that much. My goal for this space was for it to be nice and chill, just a place for my son to hang out with his friends. But once I started decorating, it went out of hand. It just kind of turned into another glam area of my home. But we don't use this space. We don't come in here very often. He does come in here with his friends occasionally, as you can see as to some of the mess that was in here as I was cleaning. But we don't use this space that much. I prefer to be in my room. My son prefers to be in his room. So I told my son that if we were in this place for at least 5 years, that I would turn this area into a game room. A complete game room. So that idea is not off the table. We probably have been living here about 2.5 years now. I purchased my townhome probably about 2.5 years ago. So the idea is not off the table. But I don't plan to change any of the decor. I'm loving it. I'm just focusing on upgrading and renovations and things that will add value to my home. And I've just decided that carpet mainly on the stairs is something that I can't live with. Not so much in the living area or the bedrooms, but definitely on the stairs. It's always dirty, it's always dusty, and it looks horrible. And I'm really ready to get the carpet pulled up. So that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Let me know what you think of some of the changes that, you know, I plan to make in the space. And I'm loving the Uva stocks and what they added to the room. So yeah, I'm loving everything. It just, you know, there's just some tweaks that I feel like I need to make decor wise, but mainly you know, home upgrades and home renovations. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I will leave you guys some still photos at the end. I just feel like still photos just capture the room a lot better than the video sometimes. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Make sure you are staying safe. Make sure you are wearing your mask. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.